I am looking for coworkers, so wide range of people can for them can be very useful. My work is rooted in decades of personal practice, research, and direct experience with subtle layers of consciousness, energy, and human psyche. From my early childhood, I lived with heightened sensitivity. It was really overwhelming, feeling emotions, energies, and inner states of others. And tried countless techniques, many meditation types, concentration, prayer, mind programming, and many spiritual systems, but nothing brought clarity and stability. Everything was changed when I turned inward. It was around my 35 when I met a clairvoyant, and before I did many type of meditations, many types of magical stuff, mystical stuff, and different type of yogi meditation, Sufi meditation, and other meditations. And I was partially successful, so there were some results, but it was not conscious, it was not direct, it was not continuous. I It was intermediated, interrupted by everyday life. So this clairvoyant who I met in my 35, she gave me two very good advices. One advice was that I have to go inside me, to turn inside, not looking for outside but inside. And uh, another advice was to use bright white light. It was not only white light, it was bright white light, and it was really interesting to see the change after it happened. I started my everyday meditations with exactly these chakra colors, and after a month, everyday meditation, sometimes 2 times a day, I was able to see some changes in my life. It was really profound and nothing like before. I will speak about it later. And as you can see, I shared some images. On the top image, I am the biggest spiritual master. Of course, it's a joke, but yeah, I learned a lot. And on the next image, it's about movie Agents of Shield. It's a it's a sci-fi series, and I loved it. This series, and I created this badge for myself from like a joke in 2014, and it is interesting because it happened to me that it manifested my related work in 2015, and I didn't care about this badge anymore. I put it to my shell and forgot about it. And next year, I was hired to the company, which was interesting that this company, we must had a badge with our photo. And in my case, when they tried to shoot me, take a photo from me, the machine got broken and they was not able to do that. So I was before was without this photo. So I randomly found this 1 year ago recreated badge from fun, and I for fun put it to my badge, and interestingly it was the same size like my badge, so it's really fitted it, and I used it
Mhm.
all time I was working for this company, and nobody cares about it. So it was interesting that it was exactly the same badge, and there is year 2017, and exactly this year I left this company and was hired to new company. So this is a manifestation, example of manifestation, how life in life can be manifested in different things with this type of, let's say, unconscious work, manifest work. And when you will create protocol, a paperwork for yourself, and put there some um, images about what you want. It can be physical one, can be non-physical one, can be money, can be house, can be car, can be your spiritual journey, whatever can be. But it must be some meaningful picture, meaningful image about it. And when you will left it to leave it to some not visible space, it later, after years or months, it can manifest your desired thing. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
interesting to experience. And the image lower, you can see this is an image from a famous painter, Famian, and this is an image about our physical universe and about celestial higher spiritual realms. So this way, it is a symbolic way how can we imagine that after going through edges of the universe, we can meet the celestial realms, different events, different beings, and we can see it or experience it with our own eyes. It happened to me also similar way, so it is really interesting, not only symbolic manifestation of the higher realms, but can be also the real experience, life-changing experience. So I experienced also this spiritual awakening, and now I guide others through the same process of awakening.